In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the eraser tool here in Kittl. Now, one thing to note, and that is you do need a Pro Kittl account, and that's around $10 a month, because we are also going to be removing the background of this, and we do want to download as a transparent background. But nonetheless, once you have your image on the canvas like this, we simply want to right click. Then we can come down to eraser. Now the shortcut for this is also E, so all you have to do is press E on the keyboard. But if we press this, we now have the option to edit out and erase certain parts of this image. Now if we do that, we can see it completely removes the background. So what we first want to do is click onto the image. Then we're going to come down to AI Background Remover. Now again, this is one of the Kittl Pro features. But now that's done that, we have this as a transparent background. And now what we can do is simply right click, click on eraser, and then we can clean this up. We can play around with the size of this brush as well to make it a little bit easier, just like that. And now we can go through the whole design, removing and erasing parts of the image that we don't want just by using the eraser tool. So let me just carry on doing this like so. Let's make that just a little bit smaller. Let's zoom in. Let's get these last parts like this, and there we go. So if we exit and now zoom out, we can see we've completely erased everything in the background from this image. So now all that I'd have to do is come to download, then we want PNG, and then we want remove background and optimize quality. Now again, to download an image with a transparent background, we do need that Kittl Pro account. But now if we click download, let's give this a second, then we can open it and take a look. So now let's open that, just like that, and as we can see, everything's now been removed. So that's just how easy it is to use the eraser tool here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.